Today, we will learn how to move from translating to thinking in English so you can speak with confidence.
And I will share simple habits, short practices, and real examples to help you stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Translation makes speaking slow because your brain does two jobs: understand in your language and then convert to English.
Thinking directly in English removes that extra step and helps your words come out naturally and quickly.
Begin with small phrases you use every day, such as greetings, short questions, and routine statements.
Short phrases become mental building blocks that you can combine without pausing to search for individual words.
Use labels around your home. Name objects and make tiny sentences about them in English.
When you do this repeatedly, your brain starts associating meaning directly with English words rather than translating first.
Narrate your actions quietly. I am washing dishes. I am making tea. I am checking my phone.
Action narration ties physical movements to English language patterns and strengthens recall during conversation.
Practice mental question and answer drills. Ask yourself common questions and answer them in English instantly.
These drills prepare your mind for quick responses in real life because you rehearse likely answers ahead of time.
Shadow short audio clips and repeat lines in your head or out loud to match rhythm and intonation.
Shadowing helps merge listening and speaking skills so your brain learns to produce sounds at a natural pace.
Use collocations in chunks like make a decision, take a look, and feel like instead of single words.
Chunks are faster to recall because they are stored in your memory as units, not as separate words to assemble.
When you forget a word, describe it in English rather than switching languages. The small round fruit for orange.
Describing saves the flow of thought and keeps your inner voice in English, which builds confidence.
Practice paraphrasing. Read a sentence and say it again in different simple words in English.
Paraphrasing expands the ways you can express an idea and reduces dependence on exact vocabulary.
Keep a short phrase bank for everyday situations. Shopping, greetings, work, and small talk.
Review your phrase bank daily until those sentences become effortless to think and say.
Use role play in your head. Imagine ordering food, asking for directions, or greeting a neighbor and play both parts.
Role play teaches expected responses and quick patterns that save time during real conversations.
Practice 2-minute speaking bursts about simple topics. Your breakfast, your day, or a short story.
Short bursts build the habit of fluent output without pressure, and repeated often they rewire your thinking.
Read a short paragraph and summarize it in one sentence in English to capture the main idea fast.
Summarizing trains your brain to focus on meaning rather than translating word by word.
Pair your senses with language. Look at images, smell scents, or touch objects and describe them in English.
Sensory connections make vocabulary stick because experiences attach directly to English words.
Use emotional sentences. I feel happy. I am worried. I am excited to express feelings in English.
Emotions are memorable anchors that help English stick as the language of your inner voice.
Practice linking words like because, so, but, and then to move between sentences smoothly.
Linking words help your thoughts flow and let you form larger connected statements without pausing to translate.
Record yourself speaking for a minute and listen for translation pauses. Target those moments for practice.
Listening to your own voice makes it easier to spot where you switch languages and to practice smoother alternatives.
Set tiny daily goals. 1 minute of English thinking every hour, or 5 quick sentences before bed. Small, consistent steps produce big changes because the brain repeats new patterns often.
Celebrate small wins like one sentence without translating or a quick reply in a chat. They build motivation.
Use visual cues such as sticky notes with English phrases to remind your mind during the day.
Frequent exposure to short prompts encourages instant English recall without translation.
Practice speaking with a partner and ask them to reply naturally. Live interaction reduces the habit of translating.
Even short conversations force immediate English thinking because responses are needed quickly.
Use mini stories to link ideas. Tell a 3-sentence story about your day in English.
Stories give your brain a path to plan sentences in sequence and help you think ahead in English rather than translating each part.
When grammar confuses you, focus on meaning first and adjust the structure later while keeping your thought in English.
Perfect grammar is not the goal at first. Communication and thinking in English matter more for confidence.
Keep exposure high. Podcasts, videos, and simple books give repeated examples of natural phrasing.
Hearing language in context trains prediction, which is how native speakers think and respond fast.
Use the notice and label habit everywhere. Notice your surroundings and label them in English, briefly and often.
Consistency is key. The more often you notice and label, the more your brain shifts habits from translation to direct thought.
Spend a few minutes on quick pronunciation drills each day. Short sound drills, word chains, and gentle repetition to build muscle memory.
Better pronunciation reduces hesitation and self-correction, helping your thoughts keep flowing in English and your speech to follow naturally and confidently every day.
Now try summarizing your last conversation in 3 simple English sentences to practice moving from translation to thought.
I spoke with a friend. We discussed a project. We agreed to meet and finish the work together.
What we have learned in this video is how to stop translating by using short phrases, role play, shadowing, and daily micro practice.
What we have learned in this video is that steady, simple habits, phrase banks, paraphrasing, sensory description, and live practice build confidence and allow you to think and speak English naturally.